So in this video, I'm going to be covering some companies, actually 5 companies that are always hiring and you don't need any experience, or if you do need any experience, it's going to be very limited experience, and they always have work from home jobs. So if you're looking for a work from home job in 2025 and you don't have any working experience, these are 5 companies that you can definitely get started with. You could get to start making some money right now. So I'll go through these 5 websites or these 5 companies in just a bit, but a quick reminder, just in case you guys are here primarily because you're looking for remote work from home jobs, be sure to go over to my second channel, which is the work from home channel. That's going to be this channel right here. This is where I'm currently posting the highest paying remote work from home job leads that I could find online. If you take a look at some of my previous or some of my recently posted job leads, these are going to be all high paying job leads. So the Home Depot was hiring remotely, Yelp was hiring remotely, Redfin was hiring remotely, U-Haul was hiring remotely, Zillow, a lot of companies that you already know and trust and are familiar with are hiring remotely right now, and you can make some really good money. So if you're looking for an entry-level remote work from home job, you'll definitely find the highest paying entry-level work from home jobs here. And even if you're looking for an advanced level job, you'll find the highest paying advanced level remote work from home job leads on this channel. So be sure to go over and subscribe. Also, I just posted another brand new job lead here today. Travelers, or as you guys may know of them, Travelers Insurance, they're hiring as well remotely. And this job is a high-paying remote work from home job, so you may want to check that out as well. But with all that covered, let's dive into the companies that are always hiring remotely where you don't need any experience. So first one is going to be RWS, and specifically by joining their Train AI community. And here you get to train AI, make it better, and you get paid for doing so, and no experience is required. So these are the type of opportunities that you'll find here. And these are all going to be freelance, remote, part-time work from home jobs. Some will have flexible schedules, so you could work as much or as little as you want. So for example, they have openings for online rater, data collector, data annotator, search engine evaluator, ad evaluator, and other project specific opportunities. So as an online rater, you would rate, provide feedback, or perform assessments in accordance with specific criteria on text, audio, image, or video data for use in a broad range of AI applications. As a data collector, you would collect, create, or generate text, image, audio, or video data to help train large language models. As a data annotator, you'd annotate, label, or tag text, audio, image, or video data using either your own or their client's technology platforms. And based on specific guidelines, you do this to help train and improve AI and machine learning models. As a search engine evaluator, you would, for specific search queries, evaluate and provide feedback on text, audio, image, or video search results for major search engines, social media networks, and streaming entertainment. And as an ad evaluator, you'd review and provide feedback on online ads in search engines, social media platforms, and other websites based on specific criteria, and rate ad relevance for specific search terms to improve the ad quality. So these are just some of the tasks that you can do here to make money online. Now, if you join the AI community here, no experience is required, so you can join at any skill level. So from students looking to earn extra cash to entry-level candidates just beginning their careers, you could work here. Also, they have a flexible work schedule. So this could be a freelance, remote, part-time work from home job, and you could fit this around any schedule you have right now. And they also pay fairly depending on the specific job. That will determine the rate of pay here. And you can easily join by hitting this link right here that says join now. So that's one way, or one company that's always hiring. And they're also in over 175 countries, also in 400 plus languages. So even if you're not inside the US, then you can definitely land some jobs here and you can start making money training AI with RWS. So to do this, these are the steps to apply here. So you'll sign up, then you'll complete some training. So you'll have to do some test and training in order to access more tasks. And then once you've signed up based on their current requirements, they'll contact you about any task and projects for you to work on. And then once you complete those tasks and those projects, then you get paid directly to your bank account. So that's how that works. So link will be down below. If you want to help train AI and make money while doing so, then you could head over to RWS, and you don't need any experience, and you could start working here in just about any country. Now, next on the list, we have TELUS International, and currently they have some AI related jobs here as well. So they're currently hiring for a rater, and this is in the US, but they do have this position in many other countries as well, and other similar positions in other countries. So for this one, it's fully remote, and it's paying anywhere from $12 to $14 per hour, and it is part-time with you working up to 20 hours per week. So as a rater here, you'll assess online search results to enhance their quality. You'll analyze and rate content relevance to search terms, while also reviewing language for grammar, tone, and cultural appropriateness. Your contribution improves a major search engine's quality by evaluating web content using your PC and smartphone. For this position, you also don't really need any experience. All you need to do is to be proficient in both written and verbal English. And this is because this position is for the United States. If you were in a different country with a different language, then the language would be different. Also, residency in the United States for the past 3 years. So whichever country you're applying in, you'll need to be a resident there in the past 3 years. You'll need to have a Gmail account, also a smartphone, either Android or iPhone, and a computer with internet connection at your expense. Also, familiarity with current and historical business, media, sports, news, social media, and cultural affairs in your country of residence, and experience navigating web browsers and smartphone apps for content interaction. So just about anybody that uses a smartphone or a computer would be able to apply for this position and do this job, and this is paying up to $14 per hour. This is inside the US. If you go to the main careers page here in their AI community, you'll find these jobs in different countries. So they have one here for a Spanish rater, and these are rater jobs inside the United States. And then if you go through, you'll find other AI related jobs in different countries and also in different languages. So even if you're not inside the US, this is a great place to find a no experience remote work from a home type of job here. So link will be down below to TELUS International. Now, next place that you guys could go to find a job where you don't need any experience would be WeLocalize, and they have AI related jobs. So most of these AI related jobs online are going to be jobs that are beginner friendly. You won't need to have any experience, and you also can fit these around your schedule because they're very flexible. So here it says, if you're tech savvy and you have a passion for quality, they're looking for data raters to work on projects aimed at advancing AI technologies. And this is an excellent starting point for entry-level candidates. So main duties here is to follow project-specific guidelines, to conduct research on e-commerce data, evaluate the usefulness of product filters and results based on the research, rate the e-commerce data according to the guidelines provided, and you can start immediately working 5 to 15 hours per week. You get to set your own schedule, and for this position, it is English in the United Kingdom, and they're paying around $13 per hour. But depending on your location, that could be higher or lower. Now, they do have some requirements here, but most of these requirements are basic requirements that you may already have as long as you're already using a computer and the internet. Not really anything that you need to go and study for, and not really any experience that you need to have from a previous job or working anywhere before. Now, if you go to the main AI page here on WeLocalize, you'll find a lot of these jobs. So for example, similar position here, English US, but in the Philippines, in India, in Australia, in the Netherlands, in Dutch. So a lot of different languages and a lot of different countries. Also, they have other different type of tasks here related to AI. So they have data validation. So you could be an ads quality rater. That's another position that you could look into. That one pays fairly well. They also have some remote jobs here for students as well. They have jobs in sourcing and talent, AI service, general application. These are going to be mostly in the United States. They have data quality, they have AI operations, they have translation, regulated translation. So a lot of really good opportunities here. I'll leave the link below, and I'll leave the link down below rather, and you guys could go through the list here and apply. But most of these jobs are going to be no experience required, so you could start or getting to these really easily. Next on the list is going to be working solutions. Here, you really don't need any experience for most of the jobs, and you also don't need to do a traditional type of interview. You simply create your profile, add any experience you have, take some assessments, they scan your PC, and you choose an opportunity, and everything here can be completed within an hour, so you could actually start working here today, so long as they do have opportunities available. And currently, at the time of making this video, they only have one available opportunity right here. This is working as a customer support representative for TurboTax, and you'd provide phone support with video chat capability and also traditional chat support. This job is paying up to $19 per hour with extra incentives available, so you could be making upwards of $20 per hour. And this is a seasonal contract that will run through April 15. Also, this is flexible in terms of you can create your own schedule, and the hours are 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. Monday to Sunday. So you guys could work as much or as little as you want, and you don't really need any experience to start here. So this is another great opportunity for anyone looking for a remote work from home job where you don't need any experience, and you also don't really need to do an interview. So this could be your first remote work from home job. Next on the list, we have Mod Squad. Also in many different countries, you could become a mod here very easily. So mods would be people who provide customer support, and they also do social media. So you do a range of tasks here, which could include answering phone calls and texting with customers. You could also be posting on forums or doing online reviews. You could be monitoring images, videos, or live streams. You could also be chatting in games or playing the games to test them. And as a mod, you could work in over 90 countries, and they also have mods speaking in over 50 different languages. So great place to land a job if you don't really have any experience. You want something that's really flexible. Also, you want something that is remote. This is a great place to start, and they're hiring internationally as well. Now, just in case you guys have never heard about any of these companies before, was able to pull them all up on Glassdoor. So first one was RWS Group. They're listed here on Glassdoor. Overall rating is 3.5 out of 5 stars, and they have over 1,400 reviews here. So legitimate company listed on Glassdoor. Next was TELUS International, or just TELUS. They have an overall rating here of 3.6 out of 5 stars. Almost 10,000 reviews here. So another legitimate company listed on Glassdoor. Next we had WeLocalize, which has an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. And they have just about 1,400 reviews here on Glassdoor. Next was Working Solutions, 3.8 out of 5 star rating, and they have just over 1,000 reviews on Glassdoor. And then finally, there is Mod Squad. Overall rating is 3.2 out of 5 stars, and they have just a bit over 700 reviews. So all legitimate companies where you can land remote work from home jobs without any experience. And in fact, if you've ever worked at any of these companies before, drop a comment down below for anyone else that is watching this video, and note your experience, as that may be able to help someone else out who is looking to work at any of these companies. But all links will be down below. As always, all the best in making money online. I really hope these will help you to land a remote work from home job opportunity, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next video.